Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 9 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug, and then disconnect the fingerprint plug. And now the back cover can be fully separate from the phone's body. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, disconnect two LCD plugs from the logic board, and then fold the cable to 180 degrees. Next, release the 3 adhesive tabs on the left side, and gently pull from the middle tab toward the right. This process takes time, so handle the phone with care. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting two antenna heads. Next, take out the earpiece speaker by adding some heat. Next, gently pry the power and volume flex cable by adding some heat. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Gently take out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and relax the antenna cable from the frame. Next, gently pull out the charging and headphone board with the antennas from the body. Next, take out the vibrator motor using a tweezer. The motor is holding firmly and you might need to apply some heat to soften the adhesive. For this, use a heat gun or something similar. Now all parts are removed from the broken screen frame. Next, transfer the removed components into the new screen frame. When choosing a replacement screen, there are several types available on the market. The most common option is the original size spec screen, which comes with the frame and sometimes with components as well. Another option is the original screen but without the frame, but installing is more complex and time consuming, and especially there are issues with the durability. Additionally, there are refurbished, used and aftermarket screens, which again available with the frame and without. I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame. This type is widely available in the market and makes the repair process much easier. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, place and secure the button flex. Next, secure the Earpiece speaker. Next, place and secure the logic board in the frame. Ensure all components are in place. Next, place and secure the charging and headphone jack port on the body. Next, fasten the LCD plug and secure antennas in the frame slot, and then connect it to the logic board. Next, Secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and then secure the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clips securely. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.